Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about truck wreck layers. What are wreck layers and how we can benefit with truck wreck layers. So let's start our video. Truck wreck layers, also known as truck accident layers, as trucking accident attorneys, specialize in providing legal representation and assistance to individuals who have been involved in accidents with commercial trucks or large vehicles. These lawyers have expertise in handling cases related to trucking accidents and can help victims seek compensation for their injuries, damages, and losses. Here is some general information about truck wreck lawyers. Legal expertise. Truck wreck lawyers have in-depth knowledge of federal and state laws that govern govern the trucking industry. They understand the specific regulations and requirements that truck drivers, trucking companies, and other parties involved must follow. This knowledge allows them to navigate complex legal matters related to truck accidents. Investigation and evidence collection. Truck wreck lawyers conduct thorough investigation into trucking accidents to determine liability and build a strong case. They gather evidence such as accident reports, witness statements, driver logs, maintenance records, and other relevant documentation to establish negligence or wrongdoing. Liability determination. Truck accidents often involve multiple parties who may share liability, including the truck driver, trucking company, vehicle manufacturer, maintenance provider, and others. Truck wreck lawyers analyze the circumstances of the accident to identify the responsible parties and hold them accountable for the damage suffered by their clients. Insurance negotiations. Truck lawyers have experience dealing with insurance companies and negotiating settlements. They work to ensure that their clients receive fair compensation for medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, pain, suffering, and other losses resulting from the accident. Trial representation. It is a fair if a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiations, truck wreck lawyers are prepared to take the case to trial. They will represent their clients in court, presenting evidence, cross-examining witnesses, and arguing for a favorable conflict verdict. Advocacy and support. Truck wreck lawyers not only provide legal representation but also offer support and guidance to their clients throughout the legal process. They understand the physical, emotional, and financial toll that truck accidents can have on victims and their families, and they strive to provide compassionate advocacy and assistance. When seeking a truck wreck lawyer, it's important to consider their experience, track record of success, and their specific expertise in handling truck accident cases. Consulting with multiple lawyers reviewing client testimonials, and discussing your case during initial consultations can help you make an informed decision when choosing legal representation. Please note that the information provided here is general in nature and should not be considered legal advice. If you require legal assistance or representation regarding a trucking accident, it is recommended to consult with a qualified lawyer or personal injury attorney who can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances. So please share our channel, and don't forget to subscribe, share our videos. Thank you for watching.